Assalamualaikum everybody, this is my fourth algorithm, and in this algorithm we need to find the median of a given list of numbers. Okay, so this is the variable list of numbers, and in this variable we are given a list of 90, 100, 78, 89 and 67, right? Now, as you all know, for finding the median, you need to first sort out the list. We make the variable sorted list. We use the sorted function, and in this function we pass in the list of numbers, right? We print the sorted list, and this is the output that we get. This output results in a sorted list, and in the original list we can see that this list was unsorted. Right, now that we have done this part, the next part is to check if the length of the sorted list is either odd or even. First we put in the condition if the length of list of numbers is odd. If length of sorted list is not even. So if the number of observation is odd, the number in the middle of the list is median, right? So we make a variable median is equal to sorted list. We use indexing. We use the int function. I would explain to you why we use in the int function len of sorted list, and then we divide it by 2. Now as you can see that we use a division operator. Why we have used the division operator? Because we want to find a middle value of the sorted list, but the division operator may result in a floating point which can't be used as an index for accessing elements in the sorted list. To resolve this, we use the int function. This int function converts the floating point and it results in an integer. This ensures that we get an integer to access the middle elements of a sorted list, right? So if the length of the sorted list is odd, we print the median, right? This is the if condition. Now let's suppose the length of the list is even. We can either say else, or we can also write it as elif len of sorted list is even. Then, as you know, if the number of observation is even, then the median is simple average of middle of two numbers, right? So first we need to find the sum of the two numbers, sum of two middle numbers. Sorted list, we use indexing int len of sorted list minus 1 and divide by 2, okay, plus sorted list then we divide it by 2. To get a median, we need to divide the sum of two middle numbers by 2. Now as you can see, we have made our algorithm, and since the length, what is the length of the list of numbers? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And this the same is the length count of the sorted list, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So since this is an odd length of the sorted list, it goes into the if condition. The elif condition is not true. it goes into the if condition and it prints out the median, right? So the median for this particular question is 89. Now let's suppose we are given a list of numbers that is of length even, 56, 67, 30 and 79. Now see that the length of the list of number is 4, which is considered even. So in this case the if condition would be false. It would go into the elif condition, right? So if I play it, sorry I didn't print median. So the median is 61.5. It go since this is an even list of numbers, it goes into the elif condition. First it calculates the sum of the first two middle numbers, then it calculates the median by dividing the sum of two middle numbers by 2, and then we get the median, right? So let me explain what is happening in line number 13. In line number 13 we need to find the sum of the middle two numbers. Here what are the middle two numbers? The middle two numbers are 56 and 67, right? So this is the 0th index, this is the 1 index, this is the 2nd index, and this is the 3rd index, right? So what is the length of the sorted list? It is 4. Now to get 1 index, we can see that since the length of sorted list is 4, we minus 1, so we get 3. Then we divide it by 2. 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. However, we don't need a floating number, we need an integer. So we use the int function. That int function converts the 1.5 number into 1. So we get the index value of 1, and the value corresponding is 56. Next, we need the second index. So here the length of the sorted list is 4. We divided it by 2, we get 2. Since we use the divisor operator, it results in a floating number of 2.0. We use the int function to convert the floating number into an integer, which results in the index value of 2. We access it, the middle element, by using the sorted list bracket 2. Then we calculate the median, and as you can see the output is 61.5. This is all from my side. Hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.